Clash between Bounty Killer and Kartel, bro. Me never think that the friendship they could have made back in no way, shape or form.
Brand new!
Alright!
Okay!
Alright, yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, the greatest to ever do it, Vybz Kartel, has now released the video for God is the Greatest. Now, if you know Vybz Kartel's story, you don't know where that song here come from. You see me? I touch a lot of people's heart, including myself, because when the man dropped the song here, I got a very rough time with some stuff where I'm not really talk about yet. But yes, so a song really connect to me. I'm hoping connect to some people too. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, you know. You see me? So let's go.
God is the greatest. No matter what you're going through, count your blessings.
As you can see up on the screen, God is the greatest. Of course He is. All praise to Yahweh, Jah, Rastafari.
Yeah.
Oh, say!
Well, today is a new.
Bumbuckler, pull it up. Yo, come again, Kartel.
God is the greatest. No matter
Come again.
what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah.
Count your blessings, no matter what you go through, no matter who have it more than you, no matter where you're there in life, count your blessings, because enough people will wish for your life right now. Trust me.
Well,
Now, don't forget to me have to pause the video every 10 to 15 seconds. Really and truly every 10 seconds. Because YouTube will take some... Bro, me don't know that, but my YouTube revenue, me don't know what I go on for, brother. You see me? So, please, forgive me. So, if you see me pause the video every 10 to 15 seconds, this is the reason why. Because YouTube will give some hard copyright.
today's a new day.
Give thanks for life.
All praises
Sing
to
to
the
the
Lord, me see a
From me
sanctify.
sanctify.
Now make them stress.
We now make them stress the man to give thanks for life. Because through Jah we sanctified. You see me? We now make them stress with.
Me a wall of vine.
Which is right.
With red boom, TJ and moon in my born to fight. And the Lord is around us.
I think TJ produced Fever, though. Yes, I think so. That need to make it official. You make a video for Fever yet? No, I think so.
In blessings
Around us.
Me not care who like me. Me just a go
One show love.
And the Lord is around
Around. Yo, me say, yo, this song touch me soul, yo. Zephyr Hills.
us. In blessings around us. Me not care who like me. Me just a
So go and show love.
Far
Far me I come from. Don't remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
I come from. What a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it.
True word, yo.
Far me I come from.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and forget. And again, forgive me for pausing the video every 10 seconds. See? We have to do it so we don't get copyright. I would say.
Better you keep on believing. So see it and feel. Oh.
Satan fail. Remember that, get a youths. Keep on believing, keep on putting in the work. Whether or not you look at TikTok, or look at YouTube, or Instagram, whether or not also some bug juice, wipe wind up on the street. Put God first. See me? Put God. Look at me here. Look at me there. Tell no, I'm still here the video now. Because I have a dream, I have a goal. You see me? I'm rich. You see me? Yeah.
Life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry.
One of the best things me can ever say, yo, is that I am so happy for the reconnection and the friendship between Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer, because, yo, you remember the clash between Bounty Killer and Kartel, bro? Me never think that the friendship they could have made back in no way, shape or form. The way man them diss each other, brother, me I say, yo, they might have never turn back friend, brother. The way man them diss each other, but it show you how when you're mature in a certain aspects of your life, you're willing to forgive and forget and to move on. Me have some people me not gonna forget. Me not gonna forgive none of my. Me forgive but me never forget. Sorry, you see me? But yes, that friendship here, me never think it a men back, brother. I swear, because the man in this each other, brother, like a dog
have to do something with my life. And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us.
Shout out to DJ Khaled for the hospitality, yo. Of course. Is that Aishana in the back? Aishana here everywhere, man.
Me see you. Me just a go show love. And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us.
Big up, little vibes, little laddie. Aishana, me see you now. Me see you now, pretty browning. Me see you. Don't worry, me see you, man.
Me don't care who like me just a go show love. Oh, far me I come from.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
What a journey, good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from. Life has me.
Now lie still. When the man says see it and you feel, see it and you really feel. Cause trust me, we all know Kartel wasn't going down the path that his mother and father probably wanted for him before him got jail. But if you see the movement him come out with, the positive energy and the uplifting words for the youths them, it can show say, yo, sometimes God go put you down on the sideline or put you on a bench for you realize certain things. You see me? Because so one of the greatest thing happened to me is that God find me and put me back which part I need for it. When I want for it, you know, what I need for it. You see me? So I literally in the mind frame now I just say, yo, here, work, YouTube gym, work, YouTube gym. You see me? That's my mindset right now, brother. My mindset back then was kind of loose. You see me? Not loose as in a funny thing, you know. When I say loose, I mean like, me I go a bar, me no do. Me I go yes so, this so. Them things that me never do, but mentally me just tired. So, Satan have me do some things where me never supposed to do. I don't like me the thief or kill or nothing, but I just things where God never have written for me in my part. You see me? So you have to put God first and make God control everything after. Me I drink out more water.
That the youth keep on believing. Well, today is a new day.
And big up TJ. Yes, you would. Rich. Nah, joke.
Let me see if I'm sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe. With red boom.
Alright, now DJ Kartel come out with beer. I'm out.
DJ I'm moon and my born to fight.
Hold on. I try to kiss her for me. Hold on. I kiss back off a boo. Hold on, and I try to come up with equal right. Hold on. No. Wrong youth! Alright, so that is the song. Overall, I give the song a 10 out of 10. You see me? Song have a positive message. The video quality, big up to Rupee. Alright? Big up to AKA Rupee. You see me? Dude make great videos. Great videos. You see me? Nowhere never. I think many of them are the same. No, they think them are the same people, but they make good quality videos, and I love that. You see me? The video is a 10 out of 10. You understand? We're not gonna talk about the lyrics of the song. We're gonna talk about the message. The message is something where me think dancehall miss. See me? There's a lot of youth nowadays. The dancehall scene is now going to a scam and choppy line and this and that, and you see me? I'm glad to Kartel as a pioneer, as a legend, as a individual where majority of the young artists them look up to. Even the older artists them look up to Kartel, you know, brother. You see me? They might not want to admit it, but it is true, but it is there. However, song 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10. Believe me, youth. Kartel, big up yourself, youth. Enough love and respect. Glad to see you come out, do your thing, and take care of your youths them musically, and that's what I want to see. You see me? So yeah, me give this song a 10 out of 10. Video 10 out of 10. Quality everything 10 out of 10. God is the greatest. Vybz Kartel, directed by AKA Rupee. Please Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.